In the realm of action franchises, iconic villains are the linchpins that elevate a story from thrilling to legendary. But what makes these antagonists unforgettable? It begins with complexity. The best villains are crafted with layered motivations, often revealing a twisted reflection of the hero. Consider Hans Gruber's cool intellect in Die Hard, or the Joker's chaotic philosophy opposing Batman's moral code. These characters challenge the protagonist and viewers' morality alike. Furthermore, captivating villains must possess an undeniable charisma. Their enigmatic allure often blurs the line between revulsion and admiration. Lastly, their impact is fortified by memorable, sometimes legendary exits that linger long after the credits roll. In essence, iconic villains are a perfect concoction of depth, charm, and narrative disruption, ensuring they remain an indelible part of cinematic history.